already. Supposing you given 35,000, they must be earning more and they can be ready to sell at 35,000.
So there is another good strategy which you can use in your closing, is that you could have entered into tie-up with various banks. There are products like channel financing which banks are using. They enter into tie-up with various manufacturers like Bajaj, LML, who are the prime manufacturers of autos. When they are selling this auto to auto rickshaw, they are creating a charge on the auto rickshaw itself and they are selling it on credit. We would have entered into a tie-up with a bank where they would have funded that auto rickshaw driver for the CNG kit, and the bank in turn would have created charge on the auto rickshaw, so that bank is also secured, your money is also secured.
So we have mentioned that point in the hypermarket thing. So that's why we plan to enter into that place, so that we can have some kind of tie-up with various maybe dealers as well as financial institutions who has to provide a CNG kit to the new buyers of the vehicles. So hypermarket is one area which we are targeting.
Sir,
Not
good
only the
project.
tax aspect.
Sir, good project. And you are also ready to invest as a banker, provided you are ready to invest some of your money for the government.
Thanks for that.
Even if you try to imagine a life without them, it is almost impossible. Talking about centuries back, when vehicles were not there, animals and animal parts were used as a means of transport.
motor from 6 years. Initially, we have developed ourselves as retailers, but we have a proposed plan that after manufacturing.
So what do you I mean, the brand name which you are saying, I think who is the brand?
Yes, sir.
It must have been taken from the movie Room, right?
So initially it's just a showroom that we are planning. For the first 5 years it will be a showroom. So we want to have an association with the something called which could increase its value so the people can remember the name. So that's why we associate with the Boom because it goes with the biking and all. So we can get the Boom.
My only limitation is the brand. And you are talking of a machine which does not move more than 40 kilometers per hour. So the brand itself does not associate with the product.
Also we are in our target market. We are mainly targeting school students and all because from 10th and 12th. So for them the parents will also not be allowed to drive their vehicle.
I think it is Zoom.
Opportunity for the ground floor flare.
No, sir, this
Yeah,
is-
I
So
can
just
start.
from the batteries and all. So this is the lower part. This is the detachable. We can just pull it out and all. So it is 3 to 4 kg. So normally we could take it upstairs and we could just plug it and it is normal plug. It's not a problem. It's a 3 to 4 kg. Batteries of the 3 to 4 kg. Fine.
Because you are entering into a market with no competitive advantage, except you are just importing a product, you are selling it in the market, right? The entry barriers are very low in this segment. So how do you plan to take advantage? I mean, what is your strategy in terms of differentiation?
So talking about the entry barrier, to directly go and invest, to directly go and import, because they have to purchase in a bulk, around 400, 500 bikes at a single time. So before that, they have to go for a huge, that is for the huge awareness and all, the brand should be well established. Then only they will be able to sell the 400 and 500 bikes. That's why we are saying that from the 4th and 5th that we will planning to import all the batteries and then assemble it and manufacture it ourselves itself. So it's the
I think you said you otherwise you require no investment to begin investment in entry barrier cost. Because if a startup company starts with a world, why not start a company different?
So talking about this product, we are having electric bike. So it's a cost competitive that we are having the selling the per unit, the per kilometer is very low, around 10 to 50 paise around. Whereas talking about the other, that we have come and enter into this market, electric bike market, about the startup. The Hero has also tried to come into this market. But they wanted to come into the manufacturing. About 3 years to manufacture the motor that is having in this field. If you will see on the one China farm. So they are only manufacturing this motor and then they are selling to the different parts. They are able to earn much more than as compared with this in their own business.
Your SWOT analysis. Can we come down to the SWOT analysis?
Additional and all, but they said that the concept is good. But the development of that and the profitability should attack the
If you go and meet this type of people who want to put this line, they will try to give you the positive point. Right? What about the weaknesses?
Sir, in our consumer survey, when we asked this concept to people, 67% people are not aware about this product. 64. So they are not aware about this product itself. Only 36%.
If they are not aware, then you have to educate the.
Yes, sir. That is what we are advertising. We are spending lots of money on advertisement and
in the initial
sales promotion.
in the
You are
initial
highlighting anything of service part. This they will require service.
No, sir. Our vehicle does not require any services because it does not have any gear or clutch. It's just simple.
What happens if the battery forms out?
So I will just let you know the process of the how the bike will run. This bike, we are just having, if you will just open it out, we are just having one electronic chip that's a PCB attached to the batteries and started. It directly passed to the PCB, the whole and for this is the motor between the tires. And for that we are having the guarantee from the company that we are having. And the technical part there is nothing like that spare parts at all.
Fine. But how many outlets are there for this thing? Supposing something happens to this part, then you have to go to that company only.
So we are having the electronic equipment which will be having, but about this part, they are getting it, so it could be in a very less amount, let's say 1 or 2 bytes. It's not that
get the, about the 500, all the, we have the problem. So for 1 or 2, that's a normal problem. In the case of this Honda Activa itself, and when the company launched the product, in the initial, there was a lots of variation in the fuel variance of the fuel efficiency of the product. That some were giving 50, some were giving 20. So the company took back and they just rechange their product and they just made the changes. In the case of the Indica V2 as well, they changed the whole product. But they sir, it's the person, but we understand, sir, it's just a person, but it's a whole protected one. So the loss is very less. Then it could be on a 1 or 2 basis. So it can come, it's in the city, our candidate of the city. So they can come to us and then we will be able to decide. We will keep it in the spare part. So we could replace it and we could directly go to the company. We will not ask him to wait. So that the little time taken. We will take on us. We will take all this and we will be.
The other thing is people are planning to do heavy advertisement.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. No, if you don't have a channel, if you advertise advertisement, and if you don't have the availability of the product,
By the availability of the product and also.
Pardon?
What do you mean by the availability of product and lack of?
see, you are talking about heavy advertisement expenses you are going to do, right, for awareness. But did you mention anywhere that you have a channel for the availability of the product? Once you advertise, people will ask for the thing. And if it is not available in the market, then the expenses goes useless.
So let's talk about any other branch. So talking about the Pantaloon and all, other branch in the Ahmedabad itself. So it will take time because the fund is required. So we can't bring the funds from the initial. In the initial, we can't bring the so much funds. We have to stay. We have to stay till the time our financial position gets improved and we get the lots of funds so that we could invest back. If now seeing with our balance sheet and all, you will find that we are investing our total fund in the same business itself and we are repaying our loans, debts and all things. We are just investing in the same business because we want to expand in that. We are seeing the future and not the present, the near future for the 2-3 years. We are just looking for the long term future.
Who would be the perfect fit for this type of endowment?
So we can take up any
The project of this is for this small and that we are charging for the 23,900, that cost is 20,400. For the 26,000 that we are charging, we are having 26,500, the cost is around 22,500.
There is one unit of each you sell.
Yes, sir.
What will be the average?
The average cost that you are talking about, the average price that you go for, not 26, it could be around 26, sir. Yes, sir, because of the
Yes, sir. Means you have done some window dressing with a balance sheet. So you are projecting a sale against the sale of 1,000 units.
So we are just taking about, we are selling the more of these, the higher prices. That's of the
You must be
24,000.
talking basic price plus taxes.
So we are talking, it's not a basic price and taxes, it's all the taxes will be settled. But we are selling more, we are not selling the equal number of units. We are selling more of the 34,000 price. Bit lesser, that's of the total 100% sale, 40% would be of these, the 34,000.
There is no such explanation given in your report.
So it might be less, but 40% is for the 34%.
Well, I assume you sell 333 bikes of each.
Of each category that we are having the.
What is the cost of the higher end product?
Pardon, sir?
What is the cost of the higher end product?
So higher product cost is 29,000. 29,750.
In that case, your balance sheet will not match.
So
Your projection will not match because you have projected everything on 30,000. I mean, the unit cost is 30,000. That's why your first year sales are 3 crores against the sale of 1,000 units. Which means all your projections are, all the ratios will go here. Which means probably you are trying to impress bankers to give you the loan.
no, sir, it's not like that. So because we are taking the loans on the basis of the assets that is costing around 45 lakhs and we are taking the loans of 30 lakhs. It's a land and building, not for that. But talking about this, the balance sheet and all, the first figure is the 3 crores and something, but it's the number of units 1,000 and
1,000 units.
bike, say about 34,000. That is premium bike. So we can calculate.
Market price. I mean,
Yes, sir. Market selling. This is the price, the selling price. This is the selling price. It's the selling price. And after all this,
what was the 29,000?
It's our cost. It's our cost.
Sir,
We
it's our
will
cost,
purchase it.
And if they're selling it to 24,000, 5,000 liters, then
That is per unit our profit, sir. Then it is. Thank you.
काम करना होगा। इसका सॉल्यूशन है स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ एईएस पीजीआई हेल्थ केयर एंड फिटनेस सेंटर।
I would like to start my presentation with few questions. How many of us would like to be fit and strong? Strong in the sense physically and mentally. Answer? I cannot hear. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Good. And how many of us do a daily workout of just say 15 minutes or some like it can be yoga or some physical exercise or just twisting and turning of just 15 minutes. How many of you do? Okay. And you feel refreshed, you look strong and fit. So as majority of us would be the part of corporate worlds and we would be given like work, we would be on the verge of workaholics, like there would be a much of work on us. So my basic idea was creating vertical relationships with 20 countries by end of 2007. This is our targeted projection and expand corporate fitness into Baroda Surat by the end of 2007. Which would bring 50-50 investment into gym, yoga and physiotherapy. This is our initial segmentation, which these are initial product offering which we provide to the corporates, and there will be male, female trainers in respected segments. Next. So this is the information system. Now, as it is the IT is the main thing. Like you have to be connected to each and every. In the sense that we would first sell our product. So this will be the part of the information exchange which we would like to connect with the corporates. Next slide. So market feasibility. The state of Gujarat health crisis coupled with current demographic changes. As we can see, the eating habits of Gujaratis and threaten not only to exacerbate the crisis but further erode workers' productivity as well. So, and corporate within our sector services for individual organizations. Next slide, please. Few fitness centers are located around the Kandahar area, as I mentioned earlier. Those in our area located close to profit establishments are often close to closed grocery stores, restaurants, and retail stores. Next slide, please. So now we would like to forecast ourselves. Initially in this year 2005, we would like to target only 5 companies how to rent. So we would acquire that area and we are starting our initial operations with the headquarters on rent. And why possible? Because maximum exposure would be available there. So there would be only the need of word of mouth communication and the rest of publicity would be there. And extended NCM can also be located individual company premises tied with company. So basically our first center would be headquartered would be at Fun Republic, and we also are proposing with companies like they can also have their gymnasium or our NCM concept on their own premises, company premises. That would be on the part of negotiation and of the conversation with the company. One company only 3 days this time. So we would have this concept we have to say to the top management, and we will convince that you leave your employees 6 p.m. In these 3 days. Next slide, please.
Product concept and objectives. What about this factor? It is all about how we are going to provide this facility. So these are the equipments which we are going to buy from Fit India, the Noida-based company, which is mentioned by Ali. As we all know that these are the equipments. This is the vertical exercise available. Next slide. These are the cross-road playing. We all know that these are the gym equipments. Next. This is for chest exercises, back leg and chest press. Next. These are the bogas. These are the major equipments which we are going to use. Further, if need be,
Do you have a corporate target plans? I'd like to know any of the marketing strategies
which are having a good turnover, and this book we will analyze and project ourselves, target ourselves. Like segments are top and medium scale industries or corporates, top and medium scale corporates, because they can only afford. And one more thing we have provided is we have given the options. So there is probability of saying no is minimum. Like per employee they would charge, if they are less than 10, 3,000 per employees, and entire if they are more than 10, then annually it is 5,000. So the pricing part is quite convincing.
What about positioning?
And position, we would like to position ourselves as
Not like any other. We would like to position our fitness center. It's not like any other fitness center, like we are saying in the Ahmedabad area. But we are providing or we are positioning as a complete solution for them. Which includes cost reduction for our company as well. And we also want to position ourselves as a psychologically fit employees to reduce absenteeism and fatigue in the employees. So these are our positioning strategies.
my name is Ali Abbas Saif. Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, I would like to go to the slide where you said the facility you are getting.
Yes, yes.
Can you just come down to that? I mean gym. Now, don't you feel that in this who can treat you psychologically? See, there are many problems
Yes.
doing exercise or yoga or swimming. That will be individual people.
That we had suggested on our later part, like positioning like corporate fitness. So one thing that comes in the mind is like doing exercise. First thing comes in the mind is exercise only. So we had included these three basics offerings so that the corporate can think of three basic only. Then on the extended part, we would have therapies like this medical, Ayurvedics and all that we would include. And this concept is also Nirvana fitness. Corporate, it can be teenage, it can be, that vision can be expanded to any segment of human being.
Personal care, a psychological treatment or understanding the psychology of a person, and then suggesting the something like that.
Yes. That would be on the counseling part. We would first counsel all the employees, and we would also check them that many of them would have not done the exercise for decades also. And directly coming to an equipment can bend their back and there would be a physical injury also. So we had all the programs set for that, and gradually we would advance. I personally have the 4 years experience of this field, and I also won some awards in this field, and I know of this gymnasium and yoga part. Physiotherapy, as I mentioned, would be higher than all that.
Does excessive exercise affect the brain of
Excessive exercise.
uh,
Actually, this is a commercialization part of this world. As every human being has a drive towards earning money. So the money had distorted the entire image of the exercise. As by using the powders, the steroids, and all that it affects the entire system of the body. So that is not advisable. So that is the thing that goes in the mind of the consumer, that while exercise, buddhi maa jati hai.
Quite a formal attire. Whenever you go to sell this concept to a corporate, go in a fully formal attire. What is the cost of a treadmill?
What is it?
What is the cost of an electronic treadmill? Treadmill.
Treadmill, yes. That rupees per kg.
I would like to know the rationale of selecting your location on this topic. People associate Pandit public with as an exercise, fitness place, entertainment place, what?
It's a kind of recreation and
is not on their premises. So that shifts and all thing would become with Fun Republic and to get refreshed. And we would also have a prior talk with Fun Republic, and that too would also market its all products like theatres and all thing also would be promoted.
What is the cost of membership in Ahmedabad, which is one of the best gyms offering? What is the cost of membership?
If we say the medium scale gym like Shape It Show, best gym, no, membership includes all the things. You can use their facilities like you can gymnasium, sauna bar, and swimming pool.
Standalone gym.
Okay.
Gym associated with the standalone gym. What is the rate of membership per month? Basic standalone gym.
It ranges from 600 to 1200. This is the range of the average Ahmedabad gym.
The price is $3,000.
Yes. So we also provided second option. This was less than 10, and if they are more than 10 employees, so less than 10 they can coverage of top management. So top management can afford like that. If their salaries are 20,000 or 30,000, they can afford 3,000. And then if they are more than 10 employees, we are steadily telling them 5,000 annually. So even the top management can convince the middle level management that yes, join the program, so they can also benefit it.
And sir, we are providing some more process facilities also compared to other gyms. So the prices will be according to that. Thank you.
To the final conclusion, we'll have an informal thing with me. I need 3 participants for a tongue twister. 3 participants on the stage. It's a simple tongue twister. Come on, 3 participants. I expect one from the senior. Senior. Come on, senior. It's simple tongue twister.
Ishita Rai.
Okay, what you have to speak is मंडू के मामा ने मंडू की मामी से मुंबई की मंडी में मैनेजमेंट की मैगजीन मंगवाई। Should I read? मंडू के मामा ने मंडू की मामी से मुंबई की मंडी में मैनेजमेंट की मैगजीन मंगवाई। All right. The audience will count how many times. It's up to the whoever speaks maximum time. Correct? Should I repeat for them again?
मंडू के मामा ने मंडू की मामी से मुंबई की मंडी में मैनेजमेंट की मैगजीन मंगवाई। मंडू के मामा ने मंडू की मामी से मुंबई की मंडी में मैनेजमेंट की मैगजीन मंगवाई। मंडू के मामा ने मंडू
मंडू के मामा ने मंडू की मामी से मुंबई की मंडी में मुंबई की मैगजीन मंगवाई।
मंडू के मामा ने मंडू की मामी से मुंबई की मंडी से मैनेजमेंट की मैगजीन मंगवाई। मंडू के मामा ने मंडू की मामी से मुंबई की मंडी से मैनेजमेंट की मैगजीन मंगवाई।
It's quite simple as well as interesting. But in the manner one, then the other letter should be in only. That is do, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. Okay? So up to 1 to 5 lines. And in a constant speed. First, you should start with this. No, one by one. One by one. Okay? 1 to 5. No. He will speak 1 to 30, then her turn.
1, 2, 3. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
For giving us a chance to come here and become part of your esteemed event today. It was one of a very, unique sort of event, I would say, because I can see young entrepreneurs coming up with such fabulous plans. I mean, there are excellent projects like e-bikes, which is very much a requirement of today. A lot of pollution, especially in city of Ahmedabad. Similarly, there was a project on CNG, which is another requirement of the day, and probably government is working on that. The concept was good, the content was good, the presentation was good, even the packaging of the project report, packaging in the form of project report was excellent. I will congratulate the member of this particular group. And the first runner of the event was the team from Nirma. I think they were pretty a lot, but we missed by just 1.5 points. But it was a very good idea. Probably I think but otherwise they had a very good idea of presentation and they handled it very well. And they gave some more time on the nitty-gritties of the project. I think they would have matched the winners of the project. You want the other winners of the project?
Yeah, ऊपर आओ तो.
As of now, I associate myself with around 70 business schools where I go as visiting faculty and in a number of organizations that I work for also. First and foremost, I would like to take upon this opportunity to thank KIS Institute of Business Management for giving an opportunity like a youngster like me for initiating transformation from a person who has just seen the corporate world to a person who has just seen the corporate world. And most importantly, my ideology of standing over here is to just tell you as to what Bhagavad Gita is all about. Something that I have been reading all over my life. But I would like to make one thing very clear that I am not here to teach, but I'll definitely make sure that you are something that we are born with the day we are born, and that is something that we die with the day we die itself. The topic which was enforced upon me by students over here was to speak about management through Mahabharata itself or management through the Bhagavad Gita. Now this is something like a fabulous topic to speak upon, and I'll make sure likewise I said that there is going to be some sort of an intellectual and very much learning that's going to take place. If at any point of time you feel that my voice is not being very audible, you may please tell me to raise my voice for a while at the same time, and I'll be doing so. My second request being that if you feel like asking me a question, please ask me a question, because that was what even the greatest philosophers would say, that if the question is a question, then please ask. Because if the question wouldn't have been a question, then the question would have been a question in the first place. So if you feel like asking me a question, please raise your voice and ask. And do not feel that the question is a silly question, and don't feel that if I ask a question, what is that learn something about what you will say. It doesn't matter. Right? You don't know. Because, yeah, could you just shift a little in the front if you don't mind, please? That is where I feel I am, and that's the way you will rock in this world anyways. So, like starting with the topic per se, now instead of saying that, let's try to explain what management is to the Bhagavad Gita or management is to the Mahabharata. even Tom Peters would say, in search of excellence. Because excellence is something that will make you, and moksha is nothing to reach nirvana in life. So let us just start with the presentation, and first and foremost, let me thank Admin 2005 for calling me and hope that you will call me even next year. So the topic, let's say, is in search of excellence through management and the Bhagavad Gita, right? Please go ahead. Okay. Now let us try to understand first and foremost as to what management itself is from the Riga Veda or the Dhammapada. Now, since the dawn of civilization itself, now mankind has always been after three kind of things. One is called as Shantiha, second is called as Anandaha, and third is called as Atma Jnanaha. Now, if you take the word management per se, you can dissect it into three very beautiful words. First being man. Now, man is always after Shantiha. Second is called as, is man a gem, which is called as Anandaha. And the third is called as manage men, which is called as Atma Jnanaha. Now, this is something that even probably the best of business leaders or the best of corporates today intend to believe in themselves, that management is man, second is man a gem, and third, are we here to manage men itself? Because as corporates you will be managing most of the time, and that is what management itself is all about. Now, management is called upon as the oldest of arts, which is called upon as the youngest of sciences today. So we can say management is oldest of arts plus the youngest of sciences. Now that is what the Bhagavad Gita says. Next slide please. Okay, now some of these extra